Why organize shared files?
Organizing shared files in platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox reduces confusion, saves time, and makes collaboration smoother. When everyone knows where to find documents, projects progress more efficiently. Good organization also improves file security, ensures version control, and minimizes accidental deletions. Whether you're sharing with coworkers, classmates, or family, a clear folder structure helps everyone stay in sync.
Planning your folder structure.
Begin by planning a logical folder structure before moving files. Group documents by project, client, or purpose. For teams, consider folders for each department or ongoing task. In Google Drive or Dropbox, create top-level folders for broad categories and nested folders for specific subjects. Consistency in naming and organization makes it easy for everyone to navigate and contribute.
Naming conventions matter.
Clear, consistent names are crucial for easy navigation. Use descriptive titles like 2024 budget reports or marketing assets images instead of vague names. Agree on simple rules for dates, project codes, or version numbers. Capitalize first letters or use underscores for readability. This reduces duplicate files and speeds up searches, helping everyone quickly locate the right documents.
Setting permissions and sharing wisely.
Manage access settings carefully to protect sensitive files. In Google Drive and Dropbox, you can choose who can view, comment on, or edit folders and documents. Limit full access to trusted collaborators and provide view-only rights where appropriate. Review permissions regularly, especially after team changes, to maintain security and prevent accidental file loss or editing.
Maintaining and updating regularly.
Regularly review your shared folders. Archive old files to a clearly labeled folder. Delete duplicates and check that documents are in the correct places. Set aside time each month to tidy up and make necessary updates. Encourage collaborators to follow organizational rules, ensuring your shared space stays tidy and effective for everyone using it.